E então é importante para estar envolver a trabalhadora, melhor dicho, em processo de 20 anos passar uma pessoa estava atrás unicamente pagar a placa, mas hoje em dia a trabalhadora jovem promete que não começa a trabalhar, a entrevistar a companhia para por essa que com a missão, visão e mais importante ainda, para pensar se a pessoa aqui tem um futuro onde cresce em uma companhia.
Vision is important because people don't take the time to really consider what vision is. They write a bunch of words down on a piece of paper and think, well, that's our vision statement and that's what we'd like to represent, and they put it in a box, and that's as far as it goes. But the reality is, if you want to have real vision in business, you've got to consider it. You've got to understand what it really means to you. You've got to give it some purpose, and that's what leads to the 4 Ps. If you've got solid vision, then you've got purpose. Purpose drives passion. Passion drives people. People drives profit. So it all links together. But the first place, you've got to stop and really understand what decent vision is, and consider what your answers are.
É importante para começar a acta, por tomar nota que for de 2008, que várias companhias não confiança abaixo, mas começa a cambiar pensamento aqui para um mundo positivo, na onde uma pessoa começa a criar seu mesmo futuro.
If you took a moment in time to really look at the landscape of what is around you, the things that influence your business, the things that influence your life, some of that stuff becomes fairly apparent. It's about being aware of your surroundings, but so many people in business are so caught in today, that they can't see further. They're too busy just getting rid of the stuff in front of them. Like the taxi driver, the example was pretty obvious. Well, if you haven't got a tourist client through the quieter months, then find a corporate client or find some domestic clients that are regulars. Think a little bit laterally, but he's so caught in the tourism season that he's not thinking in 3 months' time. He's thinking about next week and the payday is going to get on Friday. And that's what we've got to get beyond. We've got to get beyond that one, myopic thought of what's happening today and look further into the future.
Well, sa kita o business event di say, tarnaw na ko tayo sumamente buong komentaryo pa motivational speaker ko doon na so entrevista ko ta Troy Hazard.